Hello children, good morning. You'll be surprised to see this picture. But in everyone's life, there will be a phase where they'll have to face this condition. What is this condition? Yes, when you have had a quarrel with someone. So you will not speak with that person. You will just face opposite to that person and you'll be very unhappy. No one likes to fight and no one likes to have a quarrel with someone. But you have sometimes quarrel with your brother, with your friends. Sometimes it will take the form of a fight and it's very dangerous. You may fight with your brother, your sister. You tease your sisters sometimes. Between parents, your sister, and what would be the condition? You would be very unhappy for the whole day and you would just feel that when does this quarrel end and when you will be able to speak with your brother, sister, friends, because you love them, you care for them. Okay, so now today we are going to learn a poem, The Quarrel. So, what is this poem about? It is a poem written by Eleanor Farjeon. And this poem, it highlights the usual fights that takes place between siblings. What is siblings? Siblings means brothers and sisters. It can be brother and sister, two sisters, means two children in one house. They are called siblings. So here the poet recalls one such incident when she had a fight with her brother. You also fight with your brothers and sister, right? Okay, so she could not recall the reason for the fight. She said, I had fought with my brother, but I don't know the reason. I just can't recall the reason why I had a fight with my brother. Now, all she remembers is that one thing led to the another. And what started off as mild tiff. Mild tiff means it was a small thing and it became a very strong fight in the end. Usually this happens with us, that there is nothing in the matter, but when we start with a fight, we don't know where it goes. So both of them thought that he or she was right and the other person was wrong. It always happens because it is attachment of feelings, and whenever you have feelings for someone and you love your brothers and sisters, so you care about them. So whenever you quarrel for their good only, or sometimes you quarrel for a thing, your lovely thing which you think that your brother or sister has taken away. This happens generally with children who have younger brothers and sisters, because they always have to share, and then when they have to share their lovely thing, they don't like, and they are always told by their parents, please give it to your younger brother and sister, they are small, you are quite matured, please share your thing with your brother, and then you don't like it. So here the poet says that the fight reached to a level wherein by noon, means by afternoon, they both started hating each other. The afternoon was ruined. Ruined means spoiled because of the fight. Then suddenly the poet's brother patted her on her back and told her that they should not continue their fight into the night. Now we keep on fighting for a long time, but then we think that why should we fight? Why should we continue the fight? We were just fighting for a silly thing, and always our fight is not bigger, our love and care is bigger than that, and so we end up with the fight. So they discontinued their fight and they accepted that they are wrong. So one of the person, one who is matured, one who is understanding, he will always confess, whether it is a brother or a sister, a husband, or a wife, or any relationship. So here the poet concludes that all siblings do fight, but they also make up and forget about their fights. So dear children, we also have fights in our day-to-day life, but we should not give up. We should not keep on fighting. We should not have grudges in our mind, because our parents love us equally. They treat us equally, and we too, we love our brothers and sisters. So we should not fight with each other. Okay, that's it. Now in the next video we are going to recite the poem. Hope you have understood this, and now you will learn that you will not fight with your brothers and sisters.